This is how I make my chicken stew. The ingredients for steaming the chicken are onions, garlic, ginger, thyme, curry, and chili pepper. There is a way I fry my chicken. What I do is I pan fry slices of onions, then fry the chicken to give it a nice taste and aroma. Then add the vegetable oil used in frying the chicken. Then add your rough blended onions, tomatoes, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Then add your tomato paste. This is what you should do if you want your stew to taste good. What I did was to dip the fried chicken in a bowl of ginger and garlic paste, then dusted it with chili pepper powder. Then add your seasoning cubes. Do you remember the pepper chicken? Now, this is the time you had your pepper chicken to give it a nice taste and aroma. Have to fry for 3 minutes. Add your chicken stock. If your stew is too thick, then you can add more chicken stock. But please do not make it too watery. Taste for salt after adding your chicken stock to avoid excess salt. After tasting for salt, I already know the content of salt to add in my stew. Our chicken stew is ready.